What if I told you there's a tablet that 89-year-old Martha learned to use in under 10 minutes, and now she's video calling her grandkids every day? Today I'm going to show you exactly how GrandPad is revolutionizing the way seniors stay connected with their families. You'll see why thousands of families are ditching complicated smartphones and switching to this surprisingly simple solution. But here's what's really incredible about GrandPad. It's not just the oversized buttons or the simple interface that makes it special. There's one feature that literally made my 82-year-old neighbor cry tears of joy when she first used it. I'll reveal that in just a moment, but first, let me show you why traditional tablets fail seniors. The average senior takes 3 to 4 months to feel comfortable with a regular tablet, if they ever do. Tiny buttons, confusing menus, constant software updates, and the fear of breaking something keeps millions of grandparents isolated from their families. So what made my neighbor cry? It was the first time she saw her great-grandson's first steps, live. Not a video someone sent her days later, but happening in real time through GrandPad's one-touch video calling. But that's just the beginning. The real genius of GrandPad is something most people never see. You see, every GrandPad comes with a secret weapon that makes it virtually impossible for seniors to get confused or lost. It's not artificial intelligence, it's not voice control, it's something much more powerful. And when you find out what it is, you'll understand why families are paying $79 a month for this service. Let me show you exactly how GrandPad works. So, what's the secret weapon I mentioned? It's the human element. Every single GrandPad user gets unlimited access to real tech support specialists who can actually see their screen and guide them through anything. They don't just help with problems. They proactively check in, set up new features, and even help upload photos from old devices. It's like having a tech-savvy grandchild on speed dial. But here's what nobody tells you about GrandPad, and this might surprise you. The real value isn't in the technology. It's in the phone calls that happen every day now, instead of every few months. It's in the grandparents who feel included in family group chats. It's in the great-grandchildren who actually know their great-grandparents. If you're tired of watching your loved ones struggle with technology, or if you're a senior who wants to stay connected without the frustration, I've put the link to GrandPad in the description below.